Good day students. In this video we are going to see about what is data validation and how to use if function and how to draw a chart. Right. So we will follow this instruction and we will do this data validation first. So first we will follow the first instruction, which is sheet name should be renamed as 2020. Second one, insert a column before application number and type serial number 1 to 5. So go to the A heading, insert a column, serial number, use fill handle, third one, data validation. Application number should be 12,000 to 15,000 and we should give a proper input message and error message. So first select the cells, go to data, data validation. Again you have to click the data validation and here we have to select the whole number. And it will ask you what is the minimum number and maximum number. The minimum number is 12,000, maximum number is 15,000, and input message application number should be between 12,000 to 15,000. Error message, check the application number. See, so in that you can type your application number 12,000, 13,000. So since I typed 1,300, you give an error message 12,500, 13,000, 14,000. If I type 15,001, it won't accept. So 15,000. Calculate total and average. Total sum function, open brackets, select the marks, close the brackets. Average function, open, select the marks, close. There will be two brackets, check it out and remove one and enter. Then use fill handle. Remarks. In the remarks we are going to use the if function. How to use the if function? So is equal to if, open brackets, what is a logical test? What this is, under remarks say distinction if total marks is above 180. So this is the cell which want to select the total marks. So total marks should be above, use the above symbol, should be 180, comma, if is it so, type distinction. So open inverted commas, type the word you want to type, distinction, close inverted commas and comma, and type the if not, the value is false. If the H2 column is less than 180, what will be the answer? It should be first class. Open bracket, close bracket, open inverted, close inverted, and close bracket. So you can get the value and use fill and read. Filter the data where mark is above 90, above in max. So you want to use filter option. So select any heading and go to home function, use filter, all the thing will be enabled, and they particular about marks. So max marks, it should be above 90. So untick the mark which are below 90 and give OK. So this is the marks, and then remove the filters, clear by clicking clear, and then what this is, clear the filter and apply red color in the lowest marks on each subject. How to do this? By using conditional formatting, lowest mark in each subject. So lesser than 80 or 70. So it will be in red color. So this is the lowest marks. And how to draw the graph? By showing total marks and names. So total marks, by using control key you can select the names, and then you can go for insert and select any diagram. Thank you.